case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The plaintiffs, seamen, were asked to clean the engine room aboard their employer's vessel using Verisol, an industrial solvent, without being provided any protective gear or forewarning about the substance's toxic nature. The exposure to the harmful solution resulted in severe breathing problems that temporarily incapacitated them from their job. The plaintiffs accused the employer and Cape Cod Marine of negligence, but the district court ruled in favor of both defendants, stating there was a lack of evidence to confirm their knowledge about the solvent's toxicity. Disillusioned by the district court's judgment, the plaintiffs sought an appeal, contending the verdicts pronounced in favor of both defendants, and argued that the district court made a wrong move in denying their request to modify their complaint against the defendants. According to the plaintiffs, they were employed by McNamara and were directing to clean the engine room using Verisol without any prior knowledge about its toxicity or the necessary protective equipment, leading to their work-related illness and temporary disability. Advancing their initial verdict, the appellate court overruled the district court's ruling, annulled the verdict in favor of the defendant McNamara, and demanded a re-evaluation of the case. However, the decisions favoring Cape Cod Marine and the dismissal of the complaint against McNamara were upheld. The court also recognized but overlooked the technical error in the plaintiff's appeal request, deeming the appeals valid nonetheless. The case was remanded to the district court for further proceedings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.